everyone, welcome to the Move Challenge with Arundathi. Today we're going to do it near the couch in the living room, still no yoga mat, so no excuses. So let's settle in, hands apart, feet apart, and gently soften your gaze and close your eyes. Let's take 3 purposeful breaths in through our nostrils. Big inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, big inhale and exhale. Great job. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. So now we're going to mobilize our joints real quick. So from your neck, right, left, right, and keep going. And we're going to stop at the center. You're going to move your waist in circular motion to your right. That's it. And to your left. Keep your awareness on your waist. So these joint movements are really important. That's it. And you're going to move your right hand in circular motion twice. And on the left side, left rotation, then left hand. And opposite. That's it. You're going to move your hands up and down, let out, punch a little, get that blood flowing in your upper arm. Right? We're going to mobilize our knees. So just bring them up, down in case you can't see my knee. Up, down, up, down. Then we're going to move our ankles to our right like that, because I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see my ankles. So you're going to move them like that to your right side and now to your left side. That's it. Let's do it to the left leg. And opposite. Right? And we're going to do some star jumps. So bring your feet together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. So now we're going to do the tree pose. This is really good for your focus and memory. You're going to first come into a mountain pose. Then you're going to move your right foot to your right side, place it at your ankle. Inhale gracefully, hands all the way up, and we're going to hold the pose. Hold the pose, breathe normally. Inhale, exhale, hands gracefully down. Move your right foot to your right side at the center. You're going to do it to the left side. Place your left leg on your ankle. Inhale, sweep your hands up gracefully and hold the pose. Hold the pose, breathe normally. Inhale, exhale, hands gracefully down. Move your left foot to the side and to the center. Hands apart, feet apart. Let's take a big deep breath in. And exhale. Great job. So now you're going to place your feet in a V shape, right? And again, mountain pose. And inhale, sweep your hands up this time. Then exhale here. Ready? We're going to bend backwards. Inhale, push your pelvis in front and bend. Hold the pose, breathe normally. And inhale, exhale, hands gracefully down. Hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. And we're going to still maintain the feet in a V shape. So the one we did before is really good to open up our chest. So good for breathing, for our immune system. Now we're going to counter it. This is really good for back pain and anxiety. So inhale, sweep your hands up, push your pelvis in front. Inhale, exhale, stop at 90, right? Inhale, exhale all the way down, barrel down it to you today, right? We're just gonna stay wherever you are. If it's up here, you're just gonna stay here, and you're just gonna clasp your opposite palm on your opposite elbow and hand. Just stay there, feel that nice blood flow to your head. Let all the worries disappear. Let all the tension slip away. Feel that nice stretch in your back also, really good for back pain. And just close your eyes and just be in the moment. Inhale, we're coming up, stop at 90. Exhale, inhale, up again. Push your pelvis in front. And exhale to the heart center. Hands apart, feet apart, and deep breathe. Let's place our feet apart, hands apart, and take 3 purposeful breaths. Close our eyes, big inhale. Exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Last one, exhalation, visualize your shoulders. Inhale. Picture your shoulders and exhale. Nice. Let's take this moment to say 5 positive affirmations. I am strong. I am brave. I am calm. I am healthy. I am happy. Feel those going deep into your being. Gently tilt your chin towards your chest with a few gentle blinks. Open your eyes. Great job joining. I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.